We're going to begin with the arraignment in the death of that 3-year-old girl. Emotions running very high inside the courtroom in Kew Gardens.
Eyewitness News reporter Kimberly Richardson is live outside the courthouse with the latest developments. Kimberly?
Well, Sandra, just about 20 minutes ago, it was a chaotic, emotionally charged chain of events here at the courthouse. Officers at one point had to clear the courtroom when the family of Bella Edwards started screaming at the defendant. Take a look. This was shot just a few minutes ago. Those are Bella's relatives. They left the courthouse. They lost it in the courtroom when Marc Jenkins' attorney asked the judge to place her client in protective custody in jail. Bella's cousin jailed, quote, "Feed him to the wolves," as they pointed and cried, yelled at Jenkins' stepmom and 2 of his aunts who were also in the courtroom. The 32-year-old is charged with Bella's murder. During his arraignment, he looked down during the proceeding and at times shook his head from left to right. Prosecutors say Jenkins inflicted such force on this 3-year-old little girl that parts of her abdomen were ripped apart. Police are now releasing and sharing new details of this horrific crime. Monday, Bella's mom, Shamika Edwards, Jenkins is her boyfriend. She wasn't home, but when she returned to their Beach 105th Street apartment around 6 o'clock, her little girl was unresponsive. Authorities say surveillance video shows Jenkins left the home around 2:30 in the afternoon with Bella and her 3-month-old little sister. But when they returned about 2 hours later, there was clearly something wrong with Bella.
When we saw the child coming into the building at 4:30, she appeared to be in some kind of distress. All right, it's hard to articulate. We feel it happened sometime in that car, the assault on this little girl. This little girl was hit about the abdomen. We're looking back. We'll do cell sites. We'll do other things to see where they traveled to, where they stopped at, and see if we can get video of any kind of incident somewhere else. But that's in the offing in the coming days.
And again, authorities are saying that blow to Bella's abdomen, allegedly by Marc Jenkins, was so severe that the little girl simply bled to death. Tonight at 6, in just about an hour, her family will gather at their Beach 105th Street apartment building for a vigil, a candle lighting, and they'll release balloons. If convicted, this suspect faces up to 25 years to life in prison.